Some time back, I think it was 2017 or 16, I attended the teen training. One day again, I came across TV Africa on YouTube. I always listen to their audios. And then I said, oh no, I have to plan and make this come to our school. So one day they invited us. I came here. But the training I got here, I realized it should not stop only with me. I had to take it to our school. We invited them. They trained us for 2 days. All teachers. We didn't include the small and the big. We were all present. With the director, we all attended. But to tell you the truth, right now, we had some children, especially, I'm sorry to say this, children from Sudan. I don't know whether you have them in your school. They come when they know a certain language. They can't read in English. They are big that you can't take them to baby class. So they came up with this RICA approach. Then they told us we should do, there is reading to learn and learning to read. So we applied this in primary 7 because a child is already in P6. You can't take them to baby class to learn syllables and the sounds. They trained us for 2 days. They trained us how to make the charts. They trained us how to use local material to train the children. In 1 week, there is a certain boy and a girl, both are from Sudan. I said, Madam, now, you know what? I can spell this word. I laughed. He said, you spell it and I hear. But Nange, the boy spelled for me the word drought. I could not hold it. I screamed because I couldn't believe, but it was only 1 day training. So they had to train us. It seems we are the one who didn't know what to do. Reading to learn. We applied and we started segmenting. Join here, here, here. Now if you reach, you enter in school, parents, teachers, and everybody is very, very happy. It motivated our teachers. Like now, one was telling us he's planning to quit, but now if you ask anybody, do you have any problem? Madam, I will stay. But I'm really, really grateful for this TV Africa and Teacher Peter.
Is Teacher Naroga Beatrice from Namugongo Mixed School. It's a government-aided school at the Anglican Shrine there. So when Teacher Peter were invited at our school, he gave us a task on water bodies. So we were grouped in 2 groups. We went outside and we started working on it. So after some minutes, we were told to come back and share what we have done. So we did it as most of us do in our classes. Someone could come explain, for example, on swamps. Someone could just talk about, could define the swamps, the uses of swamps, on the board just. But after, Teacher Peter told us that now members, it is better we do it practically, because when a child learns when he's touching it, learns better. So he gave us a task of going out and collect soil and grass. Then we were told also to get bottle tops. So we could use this sand. We collected all the soil we collected and the grass. So the grass, as we all know that these water bodies, they have grass at the side. Then these bottle tops, we could use them as water. Then the sand could work as the boundary for the water bodies. And it came out so nicely and everybody enjoyed the lesson when it was practical. And I don't think that when you try to ask teachers at our school, anybody can fail to narrate or to tell about any water body, because it was practical.
But if you teach something and go deeper into comprehension analysis, you find that it will cater for also all the learning styles. Are we together? It will cater for all the learning styles. So let us take it as a point as teachers to always ask ourselves in our respective schools, do we focus on the learning objectives?